How would you handle prison?
I survived an attempt. I'm really lucky to be alive. So, I mean, prison will be, I guess when it comes to it, I'll go to it. But if I don't fight for my country, who will?
Are you enjoying this fight?
Yes. Because I think if I woke up and there was no challenge in my life, I would think it's the end of my life. Please remember one, you only lose when you give up. Remember this over and over again, you only lose when you give up. If you do not give up, you will win from the most incredible position. The fight is in the mind. It's not physical, it's in the mind. As long as the mind refuses to accept defeat, each setback will give you an opportunity to analyze yourself. Where did I go wrong? It's an opportunity. Remember, crisis is an opportunity to evaluate yourself. Where did I go wrong? Correct that, pick yourself up, you again move on, and you will find that you will get stronger. The Almighty made us Ashraful Makhluqat. We are His greatest creation. But only, as Iqbal said, to become the Shaheen, you have to break the chains. The moment you say it's impossible, it's impossible. And whatever you can dream, remember this, whatever you can dream, you can achieve.
हाथी घोड़े तोप तलवारें फौज तो तेरी सारी है, पर जंजीर में जकड़ा राजा मेरा अब भी सब पे भारी है।
पाकिस्तान में शोहरत हासिल करने के 3 तरीके बताए जाते हैं। तो आप क्रिकेट खेलें, या तो आप समाजी खिदमत में संग-मील हासिल कर लें, या तो आप एक कंट्रोवर्शियल सियासतदान बन जाएं। और अगर आप ये तीनों चीजें हासिल कर लें तो आपको कहते हैं इमरान खान।
पाकिस्तानियों, 23 साल पहले मैंने एक चीज कही थी, मैं उस पे तक अपनी बात खत्म करता हूं, और वो ये था कि ना आज तक मैं कभी किसी के सामने झुका हूं सिवाय अल्लाह के, और इंशाअल्लाह कभी अपनी कौम को किसी के सामने नहीं झुकने दूंगा, इंशाअल्लाह।
पाकिस्तान का ऐसा हलवा बनाएंगे लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पे, इनको पता नहीं लगेगा सर मिसाइल कहां से गई कहां से रही। मैं सुनना चाहता हूं रावलपिंडी से चीख की आवाज।
Or you fight for your freedom till death.